In this video, we'll show how you can create an underground mine plan using the drafting tools in Trimble Business Center. As you can see here, we have our underground mine plan. It also has some geological drill holes, exploration drill holes, the side walls. So you go to the drafting tab and click on the plan set and give a name to your plan set. So under the plan set, you also have a sheet set. So you give a name to that sheet set as well. An easy way to think of this is to view this as a book. So the plan set is the book and the sheet set are the chapters. One advantage of Trimble Business Center is that it comes with a set of drafting templates, which saves you time and makes it easier for you to draw a mine plan. And so there we have one of our drafting templates. So the drafting templates comes with some text already pre-filled on it, and you can edit or copy this text to fit your purposes. So it is a customizable drafting template. So you can edit the text, you can edit the height of the text, and you can also rotate the text if you want. In this case, what we would like to do is to add some text about who drew the plan. So in this case, we'll just enter my name. And once you click apply, that text will be added on there. Another thing that you can add onto the drafting template is you could also add your company logos. So in this case, we are going to use a Trimble logo. You can create a layer to store your logos on. You can also select the scale of the image that you want to add and adjust the image as necessary. You can close that sheet view . Under the Dynaview tab, you can create a rectangle that encompasses the area that you want to print or the area that you want to create a plan for. Create a new layer for that Dynaview frame. And then select where you want to start off your frame from. Ensure that the whole area that you want to create the plan on is enclosed within the DynaView frame. You can go back to the sheet view and you create a DynaView. We'll call this DynaView 1 and we'll create a new layer for this DynaView. Specify the frame, and in this case we'll go back to our plan view and we'll click on the DynaView frame that we created earlier on. Another advantage is that once you select that frame, you can play around with the scale and see if it fits into your template. In this case, we want to adjust the scale to make the view slightly bigger. So we'll keep it at 420. And when you click Create, you have the plan in your sheet view. You can also insert the north arrows and scale bars via the blocks menu. And you can create separate layers for these additions. You can also specify where you want the north arrow to go by clicking on the plan. In this case, we want to put it on the upper right-hand corner. We're not going to rotate it. And we'll make it bigger and use a scale of 2. You can adjust the position as you wish by clicking on the dot and moving it around. If you want to rotate, you can click on the triangle. After that, you can also insert a scale bar. And you get this by going under the Drafting Elements tab. Create a new layer for the scale bar as well. You can also select the position for your scale bar. And once you click or select the position, the command will automatically close. You can choose to print the plan via the Print tab. And you can print your plan to PDF. And there we have our plan with the north arrow, the drive, and all the other information.